In this video, we're going to show you how to set up Mailchimp for email marketing so you can start creating effective campaigns in no time. Whether you're new to email marketing or looking to level up, Mailchimp is one of the best tools out there, and today, I'll walk you through setting it up from scratch. First things first, Mailchimp offers a free plan with lots of features to get you started, and you can grab that plan from the first link below, which also comes with exclusive bonuses. So stick around to get the full details. Now, let's dive into the setup. The first thing you'll need to do is create an account. Head to Mailchimp's website and sign up using your email address. Once you've created an account, you'll be taken to the Mailchimp dashboard where you can start setting things up. Next, the first thing you should do is set up your audience. An audience is just a list of contacts you'll be sending emails to. This is crucial because without an audience, your email campaigns can't go anywhere. To create your audience, click the Audience tab and then select Create Audience. You'll need to input some basic details like your company name and physical address, which is required by law for email marketing. Next, you'll want to import your contacts. If you're transitioning from another platform, Mailchimp allows you to easily import your contact list from CSV files or other platforms like Google Contacts. You can also manually add contacts if you have a small list. The fourth thing we'll cover is creating your first email campaign. Head over to the Campaigns section and select Create Campaign. Choose the Email option, then pick a campaign type, whether it's a regular email, an automated email, or a plain text email. If you're just getting started, a regular email is your best bet. Now, let's talk about designing your email. Mailchimp provides a simple drag and drop editor where you can add text, images, buttons, and more. You can either start from a blank template or use one of Mailchimp's pre-designed templates. It's as easy as dragging elements into place, customizing them, and hitting the preview button to see how everything looks. Next, we'll set up email automation. Automation helps you send emails to your contacts on autopilot. For example, you can set up a welcome email that gets sent to new subscribers as soon as they sign up. To set up automation, go to the Automations tab, select the Create button, and choose an automation workflow that fits your needs. Now, you'll need to set up your campaign's timing. Timing can be everything in email marketing. Choose whether to send your email immediately or schedule it for a later time. Mailchimp lets you choose the best time for your audience, and they even offer predictive send times based on your audience's previous behavior. The final thing you'll want to do is track your campaign performance. After you send your emails, Mailchimp provides analytics on how well your campaign is doing. You can track things like open rates, click rates, and unsubscribes, so you can adjust your approach for future emails. At this point, you should be set up to start sending emails to your contacts. But before we finish, remember that we've got an exclusive, extended free trial to Mailchimp through the first link below, so be sure to check that out if you want to test it all out. To recap, you've learned how to create your Mailchimp account, set up your audience, import contacts, create campaigns, design your emails, set up automation, schedule your sends, and track performance. All essential steps to a successful email marketing strategy. Now, go ahead and start using Mailchimp to grow your email marketing strategy with the tools we've discussed today. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial through the link below to get started today.